Alright, now we are at worksheet 9b, 14.4 volume and surface area of prism. So right here we can see a prism which is a cuboid, and over here we have three other prisms. Basically this is a triangular prism, a pentagonal prism, a hexagonal prism. So what defines a prism exactly? A prism is a three-dimensional solid that has the same shape at its two ends and throughout its length. Okay, let's check. Same shape at its two ends and throughout its length. Same shape at its two ends and throughout its length. Same shape at its two ends and throughout you see a pentagon. Same shape at its two ends and throughout its length you see a hexagon. So all these are prisms. It is said to have a uniform cross section. Volume of prism, very straightforward. We will use base area multiplied by height. Okay, so let's say if it's a triangular prism, we will find area of this triangle multiplied by the height. If we are talking about a pentagonal prism, then we find the area of this pentagon multiplied by the height. Okay. Another way of seeing it is simply area of cross section, which is the same. The cross section, the area multiplied by the height. Let's look at some example. The first example over here. Find the volume of the prism. In this question, I have already shaded for you. This is actually the cross section area. This is a square. Okay, indicated here. They are the same length. So this must be a square. So I have three numbers over here. 5 meters, 4 meters, and 10 meters. How do I find the volume? Do I require 5 meters? Yep, the answer is no. I don't need the 5 meters. I will simply need to find the cross section area, 4 multiplied by 4. Then I'll multiply by the length or you can say the height, 10 meters. So for the first question, volume will be equals to 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 10, which you will get 16 times 10, 160 meter cube. Yeah, meter cube. We are talking about volume, so it should be meter cube. Next, the next question is slightly more challenging. The volume of the prism is 151.2. They give me the volume. They ask me to find the value of x. Okay, it's a reverse type of question. Usually they ask you to find volume, but now they give you volume. They want to find the value of x. Not that difficult. We will proceed on to find the volume, except we will get the value of x in the answer. So volume of this prism will be cross-sectional area half times 5.6 times x multiplied by 12. Okay, does it make sense? The cross-sectional area half times 5.6 times x, area of a triangle, then you multiply by its length, which is 12. Calculate this value, half times 5.6, or simply half times 12 first, you get 6. Then you multiply by 5.6. Alright, you will get... What will you get? Yep, you will get 33.6x. 33.6x as the volume. And the question, they give you 151.2 cm cube. So let's equate them. This is also the volume, 33.6x equals to 151.2. So x will be 151.2 divided by 33.6. What is the answer? Well, I managed to get 4.5. 4.5. The unit is cm because it's the base. Okay, base x. Okay.